Welcome to Python Uncovered. My name is Satya and I'm currently working as software engineer. This course is not about teaching you how to print hello world in Python. It's not about teaching you how to write conditional statements such as if, else or loops such as for loop or while loops in Python. This course aims to teach you how actually memory works in Python. How variable functions and data structures such as a list, tuple, dictionaries behave internally in Python. This course teaches you how memory allocation happens in Python and what memory allocation is at all. But if you ask me, Satya, why these all are so necessary to understand, then I would say it's because it helps you to debug the Python code so fast and it helps you to write the codes, the production level codes without any bugs. For example, look at this code. Pause this video for a while and try to guess the output of this code snippet. You probably might have thought that the answer would be list of 1, 2 and list of 1, 2, 3. But the answer is not that. This course exactly teaches you why this is happening. Not just this, but a lot of things like this. On the screen, you can see what we'll be covering in the upcoming lectures. Watch this course till end and I promise you, you will get a very high feeling after every lecture like a climax of Christopher Nolan movies. Let's begin.